Project Plan Template Excel 101, Simple Project Plan Template Word. There are several free project plan templates available for Excel that can help you organize tasks, estimate budgets, and allocate resources for your project. Here's a brief overview of what you can find. Features asterisk, structured templates, pre-formatted with sections for tasks, timelines, milestones, and resources. Gantt chart integration, some templates include dynamic Gantt charts for visual project tracking. Customizable, easily adaptable to fit the specific needs of your project. Cons asterisk, limited functionality, Excel templates may not offer the advanced features of dedicated project management software. Manual updates, requires manual input and adjustments as the project progresses. Known issues and fixes asterisk, complexity, some templates can be complex and difficult to navigate. Fix, choose simpler templates or seek tutorials for guidance. Superscript 2. Data loss, incorrect use can lead to data loss. Fix, regularly save your work and keep backups. Pro tips asterisk, regular reviews, schedule regular reviews of the project plan to ensure it remains up to date. Clear communication, use the project plan to communicate clearly with all stakeholders. Alternatives asterisk, project management software, tools like Project Manager or Smartsheet offer more features and real-time collaboration. Online templates, websites like Smartsheet provide a variety of project plan templates that can be used online. For templates, you can visit websites like projectmanager.com, smartsacheet.com, or stakeholdermap.com to download and start organizing your project. Remember to choose a template that suits the complexity and scope of your project.